don't consciously choose average. They default into it. Let me explain how that happens. One of the biggest traps of modern life is this. You can be incredibly busy and still go nowhere. Meetings, deadlines, notifications, endless productivity. But ask yourself this honestly. When was the last time you worked on something that scared you a little? Not stressed you, scared you. Something that might actually change your trajectory. If it's been a while, that's not because you're incapable. It's because your life is optimized for maintenance, not growth. Average is maintained daily. And no, watching videos like this doesn't count as growth. Yes, I know. That one hurt. Awareness only matters if it leads to action. Here's what no one prepares you for. Waiting feels responsible. Waiting feels smart. Waiting feels safe. Until suddenly you're 5 years older. And nothing dramatically failed, but nothing meaningfully changed either. That's when regret shows up. Not loud, not dramatic. Just a quiet thought. I thought I'd be further by now. Regret isn't caused by mistakes. It's caused by unused potential. And here's the most uncomfortable truth of all. The habits keeping you average today will punish you later. Let's talk about that. People think staying average is the easy path. It's not. It just delays the difficulty. Discomfort now feels voluntary. Discomfort later feels forced. When you're young, average feels tolerable. When time passes, average feels suffocating. Because responsibilities increase, but self-trust decreases. The cost of change goes up. The window for risk shrinks. That's why people say, if I had started earlier, they're not romanticizing youth. They're regretting hesitation. So how do people actually break out? Not with motivation, not with hustle culture, not with overnight transformations. It starts with one mental shift. Stop asking, what's the safest option? Start asking, what's the most honest one? Honest about what you want. Honest about what you're avoiding. Honest about where you're settling. Average survives on self-deception. Growth begins with clarity. Let me ask you something. If nothing changed for the next 5 years, would you be okay with that? If the answer isn't a clear yes, that's your signal. This video isn't here to scare you. It's here to wake you up early. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to stop pretending time is unlimited. Average isn't a life sentence. It's a pattern. And patterns can be broken once you notice them. If this video felt like it was talking directly to you, don't ignore that. Subscribe for clarity, not motivation. And comment aware if you know you're meant for more. And you're done drifting. This is where it starts.